Hi, I'm John with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember that anytime you work on an appliance, make sure that it is unplugged or the circuit breaker is turned off so there is no chance of electrocution. We're going to show you how to install a new Icemaker for your Amana refrigerator. It's a really easy job that only requires a small flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a few minutes of your time. The reason why you'd be replacing the Icemaker is if it doesn't make ice, if it dispenses too little ice, or if it doesn't dispense ice at all. To access the part, you'll first need to open the freezer door. The Icemaker is located in the top portion of the freezer. If your freezer has a shelf like ours, you'll first need to remove it, which will access the Icemaker assembly. You'll need to remove the ice bucket in order to access one of the mounting screws for the Icemaker. You'll need to disconnect the wiring harness that goes to the Icemaker. To do so, press in on the two side tabs, then pull out to release the harness. On the plastic shelf rail, you'll need to use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen and remove a screw that holds one of the mounting brackets in place. Use a 1/4-inch nut driver to loosen, but not remove, the two screws that hold the Icemaker to the side of the cabinet. Then remove it from the freezer. Here's the old Icemaker assembly next to the new one. If you already have the new part, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. You're going to need to transfer some of the parts from the old Icemaker assembly to the new one, including the bail, this end cap, and the wiring harness. Take off the end cap, remove the bail, after removing the bail, you'll now need to transfer the wiring harness from the old unit to the new one. Use a flat blade screwdriver to push in on the release tab and then pull out the wiring harness. Transfer the wiring harness over to the new Icemaker assembly. Then install the old bail on the new Icemaker assembly. Then reinstall the end cap. After you've transferred over some of the old parts to the new Icemaker, now you're ready to put it in the freezer. Make sure the bracket on the lower side of the Icemaker goes between the freezer wall and the drawer rail. Make sure the new Icemaker is level, then tighten the two retaining screws. Reconnect the wiring harness. Thread in and tighten the Phillips head screw that holds the lower bracket for the Icemaker. Reinstall the ice storage bin. Then reinstall the top shelf if your freezer has one. Once the top shelf is back in place, close the freezer door, and then reconnect the power cord, then the refrigerator should be ready for use. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. And be sure to check out our other repair videos on our website, on our Facebook page, and on our YouTube channel.